Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and I'm super excited because this video is going to be a little bit different. You are going to get to pack with me for South by Southwest. For those of you who followed me over the years, you already know every single springtime I head on over to Austin, Texas for South by Southwest, which is essentially a music festival, a film festival. They also have a convention typically with different innovative speakers. They also do comedy. So I definitely need to pack some comfortable sneakers, and I think I found the 4 different pairs that I'm going to bring along with me. I'm looking definitely to bring comfortable sneakers that I can walk in all day, because there will be a ton of walking around the city of Austin, which is the one thing I know I will be doing, is putting in some mileage. But I wanted to bring something also cute and fashion forward for the springtime as we are transitioning into warmer, more fun colors and vibrant pieces to wear. Going into Austin, I love wearing pops of color and more floral prints. So I wanted to pack super floral printed sneakers, and Skechers has me completely covered with all the pairs I'm going to be bringing along with me on this trip. Starting with the Cozy Fit slip-ins. This is definitely a sneaker that's going to be easy to slip into because every single day is going to be like a whirlwind and it's going to be pretty crazy busy. So this is definitely something I don't have to worry about tying. I just get to slip into these. But look at how beautiful the details are on the floral aspects of the sneaker. They've got flowers all around. One of my favorite parts though is the back of the heel. Look at this cute little bow on the back. How adorable is that? And of course, it's got the no tie lace system, which is super convenient. And these have the air-cooled memory foam, so they're gonna be super comfortable. Looking to wear these with some probably white pieces, denim pieces. I'm gonna mix and match, but really excited to bring these along. So let's put these away in the suitcase. I think it's only in the 80s so far. We're working our way up to 96 degrees. That was a hiccup. And I'm gonna see if I can last out there. I may fry. I may not fry. I'm probably gonna fry. I'm just kidding.
Carolina shore, my heart was on the floor. It was burning like a July heat. The way you made me feel when we kissed that night on the beach, what we were meant to be. But you went back home to Bama with my heart on your sleeve. We were living in a country song, playing George Strait all night long. Bama tea with no makeup on. Yeah, we took the long way home.
And next up is going to be one of my favorite Skechers sneaker silhouettes, which is the Hotshot. I was so ecstatic when I saw this floral print pair. Look at how beautiful the embroidered flowers are on the side paneling of the sneaker. And it's kind of cool because when it hits the light, it almost has like this pearlescent color scheme. And then on the front of the lace, we've got this like lace toggle that is a cute little flower with a tiny little jewel on the inside. And of course, we've got that air-cooled memory foam, so these are gonna be super, super cozy. Again, I really want the sneaker to kind of be more of the standout piece, so I'll probably wear some simple pieces to go along with this pair, but these flowers are really gonna pop, and I can't wait to take these for a spin in Austin, especially with this kind of cool light gum bottom.
5 years later, I saw you walk into the bar, playing my guitar. Right then, I forgot the words to oceanfront property. You ditched all your girls and we caught up in my front seat. You say you love Tennessee. I begged you not to leave. Hey, we were living in a country song, playing George Strait all night long. Bama tea with no makeup on. Yeah, we took the long way home. Fell in love with a southern girl on the tailgate.
All right, put these away. All right, next up, I'm going to be bringing along with me the Top Notch pair. So I love this pair because it's a little bit more subtle when it comes to the floral print. We've got it just subtly on the side panels here. And then on the back, it's really cool. We've got this kind of nice pearlescent effect with the star on the back of the heel. And again, more details of that beautiful fluorescent side here. And then look at the insole on these. I'm kind of obsessed with the insoles because it's all floral. But again, this is a really nice pair, especially if you don't want too many florals all over your sneaker. I love how subtle this pair is with the floral print. It's just a little bit of a taste. So I'm really excited to style these in Austin as well.
Fell in love with a southern girl on the tailgate of my southern world. Nothing left, we left it all. The summer turned into fall. We were living in a country song, yeah. We were living in a country song. It started with check yes or no, but we took that winding country road. You got the ring and I got the dog. Who'd have thought we'd ever be like...
Last but not least, I'm going to be bringing along my Skechers Delights. This sneaker has been the silhouette that I've been rocking since middle school and high school. Really super ecstatic that they had a pair with this really beautiful detailed floral print embroidered on the back of the heel. And it's just kind of subtle on the side paneling here. You've got just two cute little floral prints, and then I love the bedazzled sparkles that we've got on the side with a little bit of jewel on the top here on the tongue. But the Delights have always kind of been my iconic pair of Skechers that I love to rock. I've never owned a pair that has this really cool floral printed detail, so I'm really excited again to bring these to Texas. And of course, they've got that air-cooled memory foam, so these are going to be extremely comfortable. And this is definitely going to go with a lot of my outfits that I'm going to be packing for this trip.
With my heart on your sleeve, we were living in a country song, playing George Strait all night long. Bama tea with no makeup on. Yeah, we took the long way home. Fell in love with a southern girl on the tailgate of my southern world. Nothing left, we left it all. The summer turned into fall. We were living in a country song. We were living in a country song. 5 years later, I saw you walk into the bar playing my guitar.
I don't need your holy water. Why you even bother with me? Can't be redeemed. Temperatures are running hotter. Flames are climbing higher, higher. Guess I got that hellfire. Everybody told me the neon lights would only lead to broken hearts. But honey, I'm gonna head into the night, 'cause I was broken from the start. I don't need your holy water. Why you even bother with me? Can't be redeemed. Temperatures are running hotter. Flames are climbing higher, higher. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? I don't need your Hail Mary. I'm not ordinary, so just let me burn up.
So that's going to complete the last pair that I'm bringing. This is 100% I'm literally bringing a bag just with sneakers essentially. So definitely lots of different options to choose from. But if you are someone like me who loves to mix their sneaker palettes up with floral prints, I feel like Skechers has so many different options, from the Skechers Delight to the Skechers Top Notch, the Skechers Hotshot, to the Skechers Cozy Fit. Slip-ins, they have everything that you can imagine wanting in a floral printed pattern. So really excited for you all to see all of those different looks. Let me know, out of all those looks I showed them styled with, which one you would rock and which silhouette do you prefer out of the 4. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out down below and hit that thumbs up button if you have not already liked this video. My name is Marissa Hill. This is Shade TV. We will catch you all on the next one.
I'm a fireside.